a sweet baby bird.
Yeah.
No?
For other people, those towel rings are for towels, but for us, they've always been for budgies. We've had other budgies in the past who have sat on these, Winter and Jimmy, and now Jen Budgie.
Hi, Jen. Like the new perch? Or is it just a weird thing humans are doing again?
It's a very weird thing we're doing. Look at that. Look at the way that head is tilted. Jen's trying to figure this out.
Oh, Jen will. Jen's way too smart.
Isn't that right, Jen Budgie?
Yeah.
This is very strange, but the humans are making fun noises.
Yeah, good Jen. What a good Jen. Hi. What a good bird. See, I can sound like Daddy. Yeah. I must be like Daddy then, huh? Sweet Jen. Good Jen. Good Jen.
There we go. Okay, Jen, I'll leave you be now.